This is the center console of a 2013 to 2015 Benz GLK with the NTG4.5 system. Now let's show you how to remove the OEM screen and head unit. Prepare the tools, including the lock removal tool, T20 screwdriver, and pry. Use the lock removal tool to unscrew the ignition switch cover. Use the pry to remove the side cover. Use the T20 screwdriver to remove the T-screws. Use the pry to pry the air conditioner panel and unplug connecting plug. Use the T20 screwdriver to loosen the T-screws fixing the head unit. Use the pry to pry out the head unit and unplug the side cable. Unplug the power cable. If there is an optical fiber cable, it needs to be moved to the new wiring harness. Unplug the original power cable from the head unit. Remove the original optical fiber cable. Connect the male connector of the original power cable to the female connector of the new power cable. Then connect the male connector of the new power cable to the female connector of the original car host power supply. Please find the correct position of the optical fiber cable interface on the new power connector. Finally, plug the optical fiber cable to the new harness. Use the pry to pry the outer frame of the OEM screen. Then remove the inner frame. Use the T20 screwdriver to remove the T-screws securing the screen. Remove the OEM screen. Remove the power cord and LUVs plug.